6 signs that you are consuming too much salt. If you are used to adding more salt to your food every now and then, this one may come to you by surprise. A recent study published in the International Journal of Epidemiology reveals that consuming too much salt through food could be harmful for overall health. According to this study, an inappropriate technique of consuming and estimating sodium could account for paradoxical findings of others. Experts suggest that sodium is a hidden component and it is difficult to measure. Therefore, it is difficult for a person to estimate how much sodium he or she consumes in a day. The best way to measure is through sodium excretions. Researchers say that it is easy to estimate the sodium intake with the help of a spot test. This test would check the salt content in a person's urine sample. Sodium intake, however, is likely to change every day. So the best way to go about it is to check sodium levels on multiple days. Here are 6 serious signs that you are consuming too much salt. Number 6. You need to urinate a lot. Frequent urination is a classic sign that you are consuming too much salt. Most of the time, you may feel an urgent need to wake up in the middle of the night to urinate. However, it is a symptom of many other conditions like UTIS, type 2 diabetes, and an overactive bladder. Take a test to be sure of what exactly the root cause is. Nevertheless, consuming too much salt could be a reason for it. Number 5. Persistent thirst. Consuming too much salt can leave you feeling thirsty most of the time. This happens because foods with high sodium content mess with your body's fluid balance. The best way to make up for this is to drink lots of water. Your body continues to give you a signal that it needs more water to restore salt balance in your body. Number 4. Swelling in strange places. Consuming too much salt can give you swelling in different parts of the body. This could be a reason why you feel bloated in the morning. The swelling can be felt on the fingers and around the ankles. This swelling is caused by excessive fluids in the body's tissues and is known as edema. Edema is believed to be a symptom of an underlying health condition or a sign of the fact that you are consuming too much salt. Simple solution for this is to cut down on your sodium intake. Number 3. You find food bland and boring. Do you feel the need to add more salt to your food every now and then? Do you continuously find food bland and boring? Well, that's probably because you are used to eating too much salt. Over time, your taste buds adapt to that flavor, and that is where your need to add more salt to food comes from. Number 2. Frequent mild headache. Do you experience mild headaches every now and then? Chances are that these headaches are dehydration induced. Consuming too much salt is likely to give you headaches in short intervals due to dehydration. Drink lots of water to beat these headaches. Number 1. You crave for salty foods. When your taste buds adapt to salty flavors, it craves for the same again and again. You suddenly feel the need to eat salted peanuts, chips, and other salty treats.